Introduction to the Mediterranean Diet. Welcome to our video on understanding the Mediterranean diet for heart health. If you're looking for a delicious and nutritious way to support your cardiovascular well-being, then you've come to the right place. The Mediterranean diet has gained significant attention in recent years, and for good reason. With its emphasis on fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats like olive oil, this eating plan is not only heart-healthy but also incredibly satisfying. In this video, we'll delve into the many health benefits of the Mediterranean diet, provide you with a sample meal plan for a week's worth of delectable dishes, and share some practical tips on how to incorporate this lifestyle into your everyday routine. So get ready to embark on a culinary journey that will not only nourish your body but also tantalize your taste buds. Let's dive in. Health benefits of the Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet has long been praised for its numerous health benefits. This eating pattern, inspired by the traditional diets of countries like Greece and Italy, emphasizes whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and olive oil. Let's explore some of the incredible health benefits associated with the Mediterranean diet. One major advantage is its positive impact on heart health. Research suggests that following a Mediterranean-style eating plan can lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. The abundance of healthy fats found in foods like fatty fish and olive oil helps to reduce inflammation and improve cholesterol levels. In addition to promoting cardiovascular health, this diet has also been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and diabetes. The high intake of antioxidant-rich foods like berries and leafy greens may help protect against cell damage that can lead to these conditions. Moreover, adopting a Mediterranean diet has shown potential in improving cognitive function and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. The combination of nutrient-dense foods provides essential vitamins and minerals that support brain health. Furthermore, this way of eating is known for its ability to aid in weight management. With an emphasis on whole grains, lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats rather than processed or sugary foods, it promotes feelings of fullness while providing essential nutrients. Incorporating elements from the Mediterranean diet into your lifestyle can have significant positive effects on your overall well-being. Its focus on wholesome ingredients not only benefits your physical health but also contributes to a balanced mind-body connection. Sample meal plan for a week on the Mediterranean diet. Looking to adopt the heart-healthy and delicious Mediterranean diet? Here's a sample meal plan for a week that will help you get started on your journey towards better health. Monday. Start your day with a hearty breakfast of Greek yogurt topped with fresh fruits and a drizzle of honey. For lunch, enjoy a vibrant Greek salad loaded with cucumbers, tomatoes, olives, and feta cheese. Dinner could be grilled chicken breast served alongside roasted vegetables like eggplant and bell peppers. Tuesday. Kickstart your morning with whole grain toast smeared with avocado and sprinkled with lemon juice. At midday, relish in some homemade hummus paired with carrot sticks or pita bread. In the evening, savor baked salmon accompanied by steamed asparagus spears seasoned with garlic and lemon zest. Wednesday. Begin your day by indulging in scrambled eggs cooked in extra virgin olive oil along with sautéed spinach. Lunchtime calls for stuffed grape leaves filled delectably with rice and herbs. As night falls, feast on grilled shrimp skewers marinated in lemon juice and herbs served over quinoa pilaf. Thursday. For breakfast, treat yourself to oatmeal mixed generously with chopped nuts such as walnuts or almonds alongside. Tips for incorporating the Mediterranean diet into your lifestyle. Incorporating the Mediterranean diet into your lifestyle doesn't have to be daunting. With a few simple tips, you can start reaping the benefits of this heart-healthy eating plan. Focus on fresh, whole foods. Fill your plate with fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and legumes. These nutrient-dense foods will provide you with essential vitamins and minerals while keeping you satisfied. Next, embrace healthy fats. The Mediterranean diet emphasizes olive oil as its primary source of fat. Use it for cooking or drizzle it over salads for a flavorful boost. Other sources of healthy fats include avocados and fatty fish like salmon. Another tip is to reduce your intake of red meat and processed foods. Instead, opt for lean proteins such as poultry or fish. Additionally, swap out sugary drinks for water or herbal tea to stay hydrated throughout the day. Don't forget about herbs and spices. The Mediterranean diet makes great use of these flavor enhancers instead of relying on excess salt or unhealthy sauces. Experiment with basil, oregano, rosemary. The options are endless. Lastly but importantly, enjoy meals with loved ones. The Mediterranean diet isn't just about what's on your plate. It's also about fostering connections and savoring each bite in good company. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine gradually, not all at once, you'll find that adopting the Mediterranean diet becomes a natural part of how you nourish yourself and support heart health. So go ahead, give it a try today. Conclusion: why the Mediterranean diet is a heart-healthy choice. When it comes to promoting heart health, the Mediterranean diet stands out as an excellent choice. Its emphasis on fresh vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats provides a well-rounded approach to nutrition that not only supports cardiovascular health but also offers numerous other benefits for overall well-being. By following the principles of the Mediterranean diet, you can reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke while enjoying delicious and satisfying meals. Incorporating this eating pattern into your lifestyle may take some time and effort initially, but with dedication and creativity in the kitchen, you'll soon discover a world of flavors that will leave both your taste buds and your heart happy. Remember that adopting any new dietary regimen requires patience and consistency. Take small steps towards incorporating more Mediterranean-style foods into your meals each week until it becomes second nature. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet or if you have any specific medical conditions. So why wait? Start reaping the benefits of the Mediterranean diet today. Your heart will thank you for it.